Did you know that 95% of people struggle with procrastination at some point in their lives? That means almost everyone you know, including you and me, has been caught in its trap. In today's fast-moving world, where we're always connected and constantly distracted, procrastination has become a silent epidemic. It's that invisible weight that keeps us from starting, finishing, or even believing in what we set out to do. But here's the thing. You're not lazy. Procrastination isn't about laziness. It's a complex, deep behavior that affects students, professionals, dreamers, creators, everyone. So if you ever say, "I'll do it tomorrow," this video is for you. Procrastination doesn't just delay your goals. It drains your energy, damages your self-esteem, and creates a never-ending cycle of stress and guilt. It chips away at your confidence. You feel the pressure of unfinished work, the regret of wasted time, and yet you still avoid the task. It can even affect your mental health, leading to anxiety, depression, and burnout. And the worst part, it robs you of your potential, of who you could become. But why do we do this to ourselves? The truth is, procrastination is not a time management problem. It's an emotional one. We procrastinate because of fear, fear of failure, fear of not being perfect, fear of judgment. Sometimes it's even fear of success and the responsibility that comes with it. And perfectionism, that voice that says, if I can't do it perfectly, I won't do it at all, it paralyzes us. Then there's the dopamine trap, social media, endless scrolling, notifications. It all hijacks our brain's reward system. Instead of doing meaningful work, we chase quick hits of pleasure. It's not your fault. Your brain is literally being rewired to delay the hard stuff. But there is hope. You can break free. You can take control. Here's how. 1. Start small. Break your tasks into tiny, manageable chunks. Momentum begins with movement. 2. Use the 5-minute rule. Tell yourself you'll do the task for just 5 minutes. Most of the time, you'll keep going. 3. Try the Pomodoro technique. Set a 25-minute timer, focus, then take a short break. Rinse and repeat. 4. Identify your triggers. Are you avoiding the task because it's boring, hard, or scary? Understanding why helps you disarm procrastination. 5. Be kind to yourself. Shame fuels the cycle. Forgive yourself and move forward. Progress beats perfection, always. Procrastination is a battle we all face, but it's the one you can win. By understanding the why, you unlock the how, and every small step you take chips away at the wall between you and your potential. You're capable of more than you think, and it all starts not tomorrow, but today from this moment. What's one thing you've been putting off? Drop it in the comments below. Let it remind you how it affected you so far, and let it help others overcome the same trap.